That
was amazing.
And here is Carrie Brockwell.
Hey guys, how's it hanging? Oh my goodness. It's gonna be like whiplash going from your song to mine. I'm a senior in high school from Richmond, Virginia. I'm 17, just kind of writing and doing my thing, so it's super cool and surreal to be in Nashville on my weekends, writing songs and doing the thing. But this is a song that I wrote with a guy named Christian Stalnecker, who is a People's Choice Award winner and Grammy-nominated songwriter. It's pretty crazy. I think about it and I'm like, I'm just this little girl who writes songs in my bedroom, and like people who are like real musicians and real songwriters want to work with me. It's wild. So anyway, it's surreal every day. And when I was a sophomore in high school, I auditioned for American Idol, and that was season 20. And I got a gold ticket to Hollywood, and it was the most validating experience for me, and it was wild. But ever since then, the Grand Ole Opry, I started as a musical theater kid, and the Grand Ole Opry kind of became the top of my gold list. Broadway was a little bit lower for me. And so, going to school for musical theater and things, I got so focused on my music, and I still am now to this day, to where, when I'm back at home, I don't really fit in with my crowd. I don't fit in with the other 17-year-olds that are going to the high school games and, going to homecoming and those kind of things. And so that's what this song's about. It's called Find a Way. And it's kind of just, about making your way through it all and, making your own path. So I hope you guys like it.
Who are we supposed to be? What are we supposed to find? Not knowing the answer seems to drive us wild. 16, we don't know much. 21 seems not too far off track. Just hope I'm on the right road from where I'm at. Yeah, I've had a couple heartbreaks. I've lost forever friends, and all the folks who came before said that's just how it is. I've never been good at Friday Night Lights, homecoming queens and rivalry fights, but here I am on a Friday night again. Oh, I've never been one to share too much, but sitting with a 6-string I can't touch. Here I am on a bar stool again. Some of us find a path already paved. Some of us find a way. I wonder all the things, study a play and write it all down. Being called Hollywood in that small town. Just know there's more than out for me. Is that so hard to see? That the girl in my dreams is who I'm gonna be. I've never been good at Friday Night Lights, homecoming queens and rivalry fights, but here I am on a Friday night again. Oh, I've never been one to share too much, but sitting with a 6-string I can't touch. Here I am on a bar stool again. Some of us find a path already paved. Some of us find a way. Driving down those same old back roads, nowhere else to go but home. Keep telling myself you're not lonely, just alone. But this story's no one else sees. Oh, it's my own. Oh, man, do I love you, showing up to all these never been one. Friday night lights, homecoming queens, and rivalry fights. But here I am on a Friday night again. Oh, I've never been one. Shared too much, but sitting with a six string I can't hush. Here I am on a bar stool again. Some of us find a path already paved. Some of us find a way. Some of us find a way.
Carrie Brockwell.